Welcome to your new favorite makeover show, Glow Up or Blow Up. I'm your host, Liz Kennedy, and this is the Makeover Show where you get to decide whether this was truly a glow up or a blow up. Since it's officially summer, I want to show you the difference between a traditional bathing suit and one that's really cut and tailored specifically for your body to help you lose 10 pounds in 10 seconds. Thank you to Miracle Suit for sponsoring this video. Let's get started.
And no one makes me feel like you do. And
Okay, Abby, $1 million question. Why do you think you need a makeover?
Oh, I think after having 3 kids and then being a working mom, it's so easy to always put myself last because I need to get everybody taken care of. And then at the end of the day, my husband, he needs that quality time. He needs time with me. And I'm not someone who actually chisels out time with myself. I can go a long time without spending time with me. I am not cut out for this. Like, I am not cut out.
It's exhausting.
For any
On
of
those
this.
days that you're exhausted, like no one talks about postpartum depression, having 3 children and trying to work.
Yes.
There is literally nothing worse. We were laughing about this earlier than like breastfeeding at 3 o'clock in the morning and seeing your husband sleeping and you want to take a knife to his face.
That's where I get real
These
psycho.
are real moments
Yes.
in women's lives.
But for someone like me who doesn't put themselves first, it's helpful to have someone who I trust, who's beautiful and likable and friendly and kind. Yeah, and tell me like, oh, you should try this. Because for me, I don't have the time to like do some of those things the way I want to.
For sure. I am so excited to introduce my girlfriend, Naomi Boyer. I consider her a modern day stylist, and with nearly 500,000 YouTube subscribers, she is teaching women worldwide how to dress in a classy yet affordable way. There is no better way than for summer to wear a swimsuit that's not just any swimsuit, but tailored. And that's where Miracle Suit really changes the game. So I'm gonna take it over to Naomi and she is going to show us a few options.
Hi, Naomi here. So on this rack, we have all swimsuits from Miracle Suit. So Miracle Suit is a swimmer line that has been around for over 25 years, and they make very, very slimming swimsuits for all body types, which is kind of the great thing about these suits. It's basically shapewear embedded in swimwear. So Abby, I don't know if you can feel, but they have like really nice compression. If you feel the stretch, it's gonna have really nice compression in the tummy area right here. And their tagline is actually, lose 10 pounds in 10 seconds. So that all sounds great, but if that wasn't enough, they add modern touches to all of their swimsuits, and they add a little bit of sex appeal just so that they're all super fun and flattering and not boring. So for example, this one, they have this little gold embellishment right here, a little bit of ruching on the waistline right here. So if you're ever concerned about any body parts, then it's just going to accentuate the smallest part of your waist. So I'm very excited to see which one Abby chooses. So if you want to look through them.
Well, I would hope there would be a swimsuit that could not only make my tummy go away, but maybe make my bust look a little bigger.
Yes. So a lot of them are great because they will have underwire. So that's going to give you a nice lift and just make you look so nice all around in your waist, up here. Are there any other concerns that you might be having?
Honestly, if they could help my butt out a little bit, that would be great.
Yeah,
To make
so-
me look like I have a little bit of a booty.
Yes, so that's what's great about the materials they use. They're all meant to kind of lift and sculpt. They even give you nice coverage. This is just all gonna make you feel good, feel nice, and just be confident. All right, so here we have Abby in our very first Miracle Suit right here. So we have a bunch of lines going on. So we have vertical lines going up and down, which is gonna give her nice length. We have horizontal lines going left and right, which altogether is just gonna give her a really nice hourglass figure. So Abby, how do you feel?
I really like it. It keeps me all in. It makes me feel like I'm shapely.
So here we have Miracle Suit number 2 on Abby. This time we have a nice leopard print, and it has a little bit of like water-like print on it as well with the contrasting colors. But my favorite part about this swimsuit is that it has ruching going to the sides, and it's really gonna accentuate the smallest part of her waist. So Abby, how do you feel in it?
I like it a lot. I like how it makes my torso look really, really long.
That's what you were saying coming out.
Yeah.
All right, are you excited for number 3?
Yeah.
All right, so here we have miracle suit number 3 on Abby, and I just want to say this already looks so gorgeous on you. So this suit also has the same ruching the previous one did, a little bit of twisting as well, but what you can see is that it has lining on the inside with underwire and cups to just give her chest a nice lift. So how do you feel in this one?
I feel very sexy.
Oh, I love that, yay! So this one already looks so good on you, and I just can't wait to see what the last one looks like. Okay, so now we have the last and final miracle suit number 4 on Abby. I love this olive green earth tone on her skin. And this one also has the same ruching to really accentuate the smallest part of her waist. And it also has cups to just really give her chest a nice lift. I love the embellishments on both sides of the straps right here. It just looks super resort-like, very luxurious and very expensive. So Abby, how do you feel?
I really like this one because it's so much coverage. And it makes me feel really, really great about myself.
I love how it looks on you. So this is the last and final bikini. I'm very excited to see which one you feel your best, sexiest self in.
Here in Los Angeles, we take hair and makeup very seriously. That's why I brought in my girlfriend and celebrity hairstylist, Jessica Elbaum. Jessica is the lead stylist for our favorite show, Modern Family, and she's done celebrities worldwide. But what she hasn't done a lot of is beach hairstyles. And when we think of the beach, we're typically in a messy, just a quick, sloppy hairstyle. But I want to show you what you can do that's very fast, effective, yet still beautiful and classy. So no further ado, I'd like to bring in Jess.
I wanted to give Abby a glamorous yet effortless style today, so I used a curling wand and curled each piece in different directions so it looked very natural, but also sleek and shiny, and I used a lot of really great hair products to tie that in, a nice texturizing spray, and a shiny gloss spray. We also used a scarf to tie in the whole look.
When it comes to makeup, I love a young, on-edge makeup artist. That's why I invited my girlfriend Liz Suge on here, and don't be confused, even though she's only 24, she's one of the hottest, most up-and-coming makeup artists in Los Angeles, and I can't wait for her to show off a beachy glow.
So today I decided to give Abby super soft glam, that way it doesn't clash with her hair. We also decided to go ahead and spray tan her so that she looks beautiful and glowing in her miracle suit. Because the swimsuit is so elegant and sexy, I really wanted the makeup to complement it.
Abby, are you ready to see your final look? I'm very ready. It's been hours. I'm ready. I know you're ready. You ready?
Yes. I look awesome.
Go close, look up.
Oh my gosh.
The makeup, the hair.
Yeah. Why don't I look like this every day?
Because you don't have professionals on top of you every day. Oh, yeah. You look beautiful.
Can I just say I really do look beautiful? Thank you. And look at this.
And the suit is so flattering.
I know. I gotta do a
Now
lot
you
of
can like feel confident going to the beach and not like in a bathing suit where you're like it's tight here, it's loose here.
Yeah.
You know, and this is actually easy to copy at home. The hair, you throw some waves in and the scarf makes it look really cute and chic, and it's still like sexy but age appropriate. You don't look like you're trying too hard.
Yes, and I don't know why I don't do this more, you know?
It looks gorgeous.
Thank you.
I'm so happy for you.
Me too. Thank you so much.